What's up everyone? Welcome back to Yuzi's channel. Hi babies! I just showered. Some hair oil. This is the Moroccan oil. It smells really good. Oh my god, and I need an accessory.
You wanna know what? No, I am gonna leave.
So, in this video, let's talk about fashion. I really want to talk about the newest trends. I believe the newest trend of 2021 to even 2022 is gender neutral. If you look super masculine or feminine, you're not that trendy anymore. I'm sorry.
I'm out of here.
What does gender neutral means in fashion? It means it's a fusion of masculine image with feminine design, which means for me, I could walk into a women's store and then start buying and wearing their stuff. Honestly, before last year, I was too afraid. But since pandemic, I've been shopping and looking in the women's department. I'm just curious. And then I did find a lot of great stuff that doesn't necessarily make me super feminine, but it's interesting and it's very unique. And then we are actually going to include a very interesting brand. How do we pronounce the name?
Aritzia.
Aritzia.
Who is this? Who is this?
So Aritzia, according to Google, is a Canadian women's fashion brand founded in Vancouver, British Columbia by Brian Hill in 1984. So I discovered this brand because of Trisha. Trisha! Hello, Trisha!
Hello.
Okay, she's not here. If you don't know who Trisha is, she's my new so-called girlfriend, and then you definitely need to check out my last vlog with her. So she was shopping in the store and I was just like, waiting for her and then checking things around, and I definitely fell in love with a couple pieces. So today's fashion haul, I'm gonna tell you and show you guys what I've picked up for a gender neutral look. So the first piece I bought, it's a very cropped top. Not only this top makes your body portion looks really nice, but also I love these two shoulder pads. It really stretch out my shoulder length and then creating that upside down triangle shape. Also, it's not tight at all, so if you have a tummy like me, you're not gonna get exposed. And like the one that I showed you guys earlier, this is a dress, but if you're not comfortable with wearing crop stuff, this is definitely a really good choice. Again, it feels really soft with minimum kind of design. This is so unique. Honestly, I'm just really into white for the summer. I don't understand why. The next piece I got is this waffle shirt. Super soft, so soft. It's cropped. So the same effect as my black top. It's going to make her body proportion look really nice. I actually bought another exciting thing. It's ta-da! This is also really soft brand because they really care about the fabric and the longevity. So this pair of sweat shorts is in a size medium as well. I just love to do a white on white match. So this shorts has a very interesting A shape, which I don't really see on a men's outfit. So essentially, it's going to make her butt very cute. The next thing I'm going to show you guys is a sweater. I mean, look at the material. This is almost like fur, very soft, and the composition of this is 100% nylon. The sweater has a low turtleneck, very soft, also very cropped. This is such a cozy, clean, and soft look. I quickly changed into a black tank top. This is not from Aritzia, but I want to show you guys the last thing I ordered from them, which is this really cute blazer. What do you call these? Like tweeted towel-like material, fuzzy detail in the end with vintage like brass buttons. This jacket is slightly more expensive. It really reminds me of Chanel. The design, the cut, the fabric. If you're being critical here, right, you cannot compare this fabric with like a $2,000, $3,000, or even $10,000 French or European designer brand. But I'm very happy with the design. Love this color. This is going to make you look really cool. Even the Chanel classic jacket are inspired by military men's stuff. This is definitely a very gender neutral outfit.
Good morning, Chanel.
Okay, I think that's all for today's video. I am so in love with my purchase. Hopefully I gave you guys some idea about picking a gender neutral look. Okay, please comment below if you have anything you want to tell me. Subscribe to my channel if you're new, okay? And I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much. Bye!